How to fix Blox Fruits stuck on loading screen. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if your Blox Fruits is stuck on the loading screen, here's how you can fix it. First of all, you go ahead and restart the game. Close and reopen the Blox Fruits and Roblox and try joining the game again. And also try changing the servers. The server might be overloaded, so leave and join a different server or a private server if you have one. And also check your internet. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and restart your router or switch to a different network if needed. And avoid downloading or streaming while playing. Now clear the Roblox cache on PC. So if you're on PC, press Windows plus R and then type in %local app data %/Roblox/logs and press enter. Now delete all the files in the folder that opens. Repeat for local app data %/Roblox/versions, and this will not delete your account or progress. Now make sure that your Roblox is up to date. On mobile, you can check the App Store or Play Store for updates, and on PC, you can reopen the Roblox launcher to install the updates and try using a different browser or device. If the problem continues, you can try a different device, phone or computer. And you can also try different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. And this will help you see if the problem is with your device. Now, if it's still not working, you can check the official Blox Fruits Discord or the Roblox status page to see if there is a general problem. And if the problem continues, you can report it. Include your Roblox username, a description of the problem and the device you're using. And these problems are usually temporary, so you'll be able to fix it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.